Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video we're going to be doing a really big product empties. Like, I have quite a number of products in my big yellow bag and we're going to be going through all of them in today's video. If this is your first time watching a products empties, it's a really simple but fun video. I collect all the beauty, skincare, hair care, sometimes like home products that I have been using that I have finished up. All the bottles, all the containers are in here, and at the end of the month or at the end of a couple of months I come on camera and I talk to you guys about these products, if I'm going to repurchase them and why. I really like doing these videos because they're like a really great review sort of video. Like, I get a lot of product reviews in one video, in one go. Before we begin, if you are interested in supporting me, supporting my channel, supporting what I do, please subscribe. I would love if you join the Deola Adebiyi family here on YouTube. Also, please don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you can always get notifications of whenever I upload a new video. I usually just open the bag, stick my hand in, and whatever comes out is what we talk about. And here we are. This is the St. Ives Renew and Purify Sea Salt and Pacific Kelp Exfoliating Body Wash. That is a long ass name. Also, this is old packaging. I've already repurchased a new version of this, and you guys already know how I feel about this product. If you watch my favorite body products video, which is going to pop up here somewhere, you guys know how much I love their body washes, and sometimes their body washes are kind of like body scrubs because they have these exfoliating beads. If you watch one of my vlogs, I can't remember which vlog exactly, but I went shopping and I bought the new St. Ives body wash, and this is the new packaging. This is the old packaging. I kind of like the new packaging over the old packaging. It looks just more aesthetically pleasing, this bottle. When I also went to the supermarket, I think was it yesterday or 2 days ago, I saw this, would I say scent or flavor or this type of the St. Ives body wash in this packaging. So once this one is done, I might go back to this one, but I did see another one that had rose water, and I was like, ooh, that sounds interesting. But bottom line, I really like the St. Ives body washes. As you can see, this one has pink lemon and mandarin orange, and it smells so fucking good, so damn good. Like, I love it so much. Next we have the Face Facts Brightening Sheet Masks. I have spoken about these sheet masks a lot. I have used them on this channel a lot, and you guys have seen the actual effects of this mask real life on camera. The try on video where you could legit see the difference between where the mask was on my skin and where it wasn't, and how much brighter it looks. This mask is fantastic, and if you want to try this mask out, you can use my discount code. It'll give you 20% off. The website will be on your screen right now, so if you want to support me, support my channel, and you know, allow me to continue making content like this, please use my discount code. I beg of you, please and thank you. Since we're talking face facts, I'm just gonna bring out these three. These are the beauty formulas. These two, well, activated charcoal cleansers, and this is the New Skin Glycolic Facial Exfoliator. I love these products. You guys know I have been using the beauty formulas activated charcoal cleanser since forever. Like, it's one of it's my ride or die. It's basically my ride or die cleanser. It has been there for me all these years. I love it. It gets the job done. It cleans my skin without stripping it down, and I love it so much. This is a facial exfoliator that contains glycolic acid, and it contains really small beads, but they're not really sharp. They're very, in fact, sometimes when I use it, I'm like, wow, this is like the nicest version of a scrub I've ever used. I really like these products. Like, you can see I've gone through a lot. I've already repurchased all of them, and you guys know I love these products. If you want to try these products out, it's the same website as the Face Facts products. My discount code applies to beauty formulas, to Face Facts, everything, all on the Paxo website, so you get 20% off, and these products are really affordable. This is 1,000 naira, so with 20% off you get it for 800 naira. Like, isn't that amazing? Isn't that so cool? We also have the Banish All Clear Mint Cleanser. I seem to be pulling out my affiliates. I swear that was not the point. Like, you guys know I just pull it out, I swear. So this is from Banish. It's one of my favorite skincare brands. I have been using Banish for quite some time. Their pumpkin enzyme mask is one of my favorite exfoliating masks, and I have been an affiliate for them since a couple of years now, and I love their products. I would not repurchase this, and not because it's not a good product, it's because I already have a ride or die that I am loyal to. I think that's the thing. When it comes to me and cleansers, I'll try a bunch of cleansers, but I'll always go back to the beauty formulas one. So I'm not saying this is a terrible product, it's a really, really great product, but like, I just love the beauty formulas charcoal cleanser, yo. I just really do. If you do want to try out this cleanser, I have a code for them. They're going to be in the description box below. I think I also included them in my favorite Banish products videos. I'm not Banish. I think I included the cleanser in my favorite Banish product video. If I didn't, I included other products, but I'm gonna leave a link to my favorite Banish products. It's gonna pop up here somewhere. So I got an empty pack of cotton pads from Miniso. They were these really cool rectangular cotton pads, and they were 3 ply, so you could literally like peel them, and each ply was really thin, really absorbent. It was like a really nice cotton pad, but I have decided to stop using cotton pad. I read that it's better to apply your toner to your skin with your hands, so I have been doing that so far, and I have been liking it. I went back to Miniso I think a couple of weeks ago, and they didn't have this, so yeah. Next we have the Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer. This is my current daytime moisturizer, and I really like the moisturizer, and I've already repurchased this. I wanted a really simple, straight to the point moisturizer because I started a routine that has a lot of actives in it. So I use vitamin C, I use tranexamic acid, I use niacinamide. So I wanted a moisturizer that was just simple, straight to the point, that wasn't so like it didn't contain any actives. So I like this one. It's really, really nice on my skin. My skin loves it, and I have like kind of oily, acne prone skin. It doesn't clog my pores. It doesn't make my skin, it doesn't leave my skin feeling sticky or feeling like heavy. It's really light, and it moisturizes, and it just like it dries mattes. And yeah, I absolutely love this moisturizer. Next we have the Uaiko Solar Plexus Exfoliating Scrub. If you watch my favorite body products videos, you'll know how much I love this body scrub. Now that it's out, I have to buy a new one. Yes, I will repurchase it. This is one of the products that I say would really be part of my self-care routine. By the way, would you guys like a self-care video, like a video of what I do on the nights I'm really practicing self-care? You know, the skincare, maybe the music, maybe everything, kind of like a whole vibe. I could do like an aesthetically pleasing kind of vibe sort of thing. So if you're interested in seeing that, let me know. This product would definitely feature because I love this product. It just like, it scrubs my entire body down. It has cinnamon, it has brown sugar, it has a really nice oil blend that smells amazing. It also has honey, turmeric, saffron powder. So it just like, it's like a really nice intense body scrub that I absolutely love. Yes. Ooh, we have the Arami Arami Onks Light Lemon Flavor, which is basically their liquid black soap. It's also another part of my favorite body products video. Wow, I'm out of all my favorite body products. I just realized that now. This is my favorite black soap, and it's my favorite black soap because it's liquid and it stays liquid and it has a really nice liquid form. Also, it smells nice and it has olive oil, it has lemon. It smells amazing. It foams really well. It really cleans the body. So I will be repurchasing this. And last but not the least, the matte Apothecary Face and Body Radiance Oil. You guys already know how much I love this oil, and I have already repurchased this oil. If you guys think I should try out another body oil, let me know, but until then, this one is my main G. Usually what I do is I do my skincare, then I do my body. So I'll apply all my toners and everything, then I'll apply body oil, and then once I'm done with my body oil, I'll take whatever's left on my hand and just press it onto my skin, and it gives me the most beautiful glow like I have ever seen. It absolutely makes my skin looks beautiful. It makes my skin look beautiful, makes it look really glowy. It makes it just look like perfect. It's already in my wardrobe back there. Don't worry, I have not run out. Okay, so this is a joke item. I think when I put it in here it was for a joke, but yeah, big gun is necessary because these mosquitoes out here want to give me malaria, want to kill me. I've already purchased this already. So that is it for today's video. That's all the products in my Empties bag. Have you used any of the products before? Do you have some different views from using these products? Do you have any products you think I should try out? Let me know. You know, I love to hear from you guys. Leave me a comment below. Let's have a conversation. You guys know I'm here to gist and chat with you all the time. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up because it tells YouTube and the algorithm that my video and my channel is awesome and it's to recommend it to more people. And please do not forget to be awesome. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.